Sambulavinaka. My name is Viliame Seruvakula. I'm the chairman of the Great Council of Chiefs. I was taught by two Peace Corps volunteers. I was fortunate enough, actually. They were my first interaction with non-Fijian teachers. And it was a great experience. The first one was Miss Fina at RSMS, Ratu Sukuna Memorial School. Miss Fina was our form teacher. Unfortunately, because we were not allowed to call teachers by their first name, that's what I could remember. Later on, I went on to Queen Victoria School where I was taught by Mr. Maldonado, who was our form teacher and also our maths and physics teacher. It was a great experience indeed. We could feel the passion they brought in trying to help local students. The good thing that that helped the connection between me as a student personally, and I see with my classmates, with the teachers, is the fact that they wanted to understand, they were not just there to teach us. Every now and again during our after class, they want to know. They ask questions about they want to understand the knowledge, the culture. So it was not a one-way thing. It was a bit of a two-way interaction, even at a young age, the student and the teachers. The latest one is we had a Peace Corps volunteer, Miss Christina Gutal, who, and this is like 2 years ago, up until last year. She helped us. She was assigned to my district in the South Auckland, where she helped us put together our first strategic development plan for national village development plan that is now in place for 2005 to 2025-2030, and it's working very well in our thirst for development within our community.